Let's go! Team PG! May bago tayong recruit.
Thinking of every mistake. Sick of the game.
Hindi ko alam kung ano to, cookie. Sarap. Nasi goreng. Chicken.
So what is it? Just wait for it. You done my fingers.
Thank you!
It's hard to
Day 3 in Sydney. It's my birthday! Kakagising lang namin. I'm still sore from the race yesterday. We're heading to Sunday's Bondi kasi sobrang gusto kong matry yung cinnamon rolls nila dahil mahilig ako sa cinnamon roll. So, pupuntahan namin yun. Tapos,
Mag-over lang kami.
wala naman kaming ganap today as in chill day lang. I know it's my birthday pero ang plano lang namin is early dinner with the family. So, yun lang. Gutom na kaming dalawa. So, kain na kami. Punta kami doon. Alam mo, sobra yung hype na tong place na to and laging may queue. So, hopefully worth it siya. I'll keep you guys updated kung okay ba talaga siya. So, what are you waiting for?
Let's go! Team PG Sydney Edition.
Wow!
confused. So confused, but I'm trying to be strong, and yet I still lose. Oh no, I'll never ever get a chance to go back in time. Even if I did, I don't know if I like what I find. Feeling intervention coming from what must be divine, divine, divine.
Talagang ganito yung mushroom nila buo-buo. Yung breakfast namin today, for me, eggs, avos, tapos nag-extra mushrooms ako. Kay Mike, ham and cheese, croissant, tapos 2 lattes.
Ask for more, for more. I forgive.
So, yung coffee may kasamang malit na, hindi ko alam kung ano to, cookie. Sarap. Tikman mo. Sarap. Sobrang laki ng sourdough. Fairness. Ang laki ng sourdough, ang kapal. Oh, kasi sumikat na siya.
I wish you were there to show me you care. So many things I wanted to share. All of those times it didn't feel fair.
Tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Siyempre may dessert. At cinnamon roll lover.
Ano ba yung scroll? Ba't naging scroll?
Hindi ko alam ba't naging scroll. So far, ang in-order ko lang itong basic cinnamon scroll nila. Ay, yung tinapay, lang. Basic tinapay. Hindi yung parang sa cinnamon roll. Tinapay texture siya yun. Ay! Natin speckles.
Salang.
Mas masarap yung sa cinnamon. Layo.
Oh.
Saka
Kulang sa tamis.
yung cinnamon, chewy eh. Yung tinapay, eto kasi parang siyang mamon na ginawang, yung texture ng bread niya is parang mamon-like. Very tinapay talaga.
Kaya kulang sa tamis. Nakakaumay.
Yung cinnamon sobrang konti, na halos di mo na malasa. Tingnan mo na may itsura ng cinnamon. Halos wala na nga eh. Usually puno yan dapat.
Bondi.
Ang pupuntahan talaga namin is Sunday's Bondi. Kasi sobrang taas ng review. Saka masarap-sarap talaga. Pagpunta namin, sarado pala. Kaya walang pila. Sakto. Malapit lang yun dito. So dito na kami nagpunta para kumain ng breakfast. Punta kami ng city kasi na-try ko magpagupit ng buhok for change. Wala namang kaming exact errands as I've mentioned earlier. Pero dahil we have free time, sila ate, hindi kasi kami same ng hotel ng sister ko. So magmi-meet up na lang kami later. Yung lunch ang dala ko, iba kasi yung, ang tawag doon? Iba yung plug niya, hindi compatible sa Australia. So, nakalimutan ko yung adapter ko na bilog na compatible doon. Ibang adapter yung nadala ko. So, hindi ko ma-plancha yung buhok ko. Anyway, ending. baka maghanap na lang kami ng salon para makapagpagupit na rin ako after ilang
On your birthday.
months. Kasi sobrang haba na rin ang hair ko. So, I think it's time.
Oh, it's time.
Oo, it's time na rin. So, it's a sign.
Okay, pakita mo itong sas na massage.
So, hanap lang kami ng...
Kwento mo.
hanap lang kami ng kung saan ako pwedeng
Kwento mo itong
magpagupit.
sas.
O, kwento ko daw. Kasi merong
Pakita
massage
mo.
area dito. Yan.
Yung
Pinuntahan ko yan last time. Kasi gabi yun eh, naghanap kami, gusto ko magpamassage. Ano to 3 years ago ba? O 2
Two.
years ago, nagpunta kami dito sa Sydney. Naghanap ako ng massage area. Tapos ito, nagantay lang sa baba. Ako, umakyat ako kasi gusto ko magtanong kung magkano. Medyo sus siya. Kasi pagpasok mo, hagdan, akyat. Tapos pagdating mo sa taas, nakasara yung pinto. Doorbell ka. Tapos, pagbukas yung pinto, yung babaeng humarap sa akin. Parang naka-sleeveless lang. Tapos parang
Naka-90 lang na.
parang bothered siya na bakit ako nagdo-doorbell. Tata siya legit na massage. Tapos may lumabas na mas matandang babae. Parang hindi nila ako gustong i-entertain. So, nagkaroon ako ng kutob na hindi siya legit.
Happy ending natin.
Hindi ako sure. Nagkaroon ako ng kutob na hindi siya legit. So, sabi ko, never mind, thank you. Bumaba na lang ako. Anyway, umuulan, babe. Hanap na kami ng salon.
I can't even explain it. Nah. Maybe it's the way you look in my eyes. How I feel is beyond words can describe. How you ignite this fire so deep inside.
Hi! Haircut by Vanessa! So good. Love it. Done! Ganda ba? I like it. I super like it.
Like it?
Yes. I
You
love
should.
it.
It's 120.
Done with my haircut. Hindi masyadong halata kasi konti lang naman yung pinabawas ko. Ay hindi, malaki din. Malaki din yung nabawas kasi mahaba na yung hair ko. But I love it. Love my hair.
Pagpasok namin sa salon, tinatanong nung kung sino daw magpapakuha.
Pag ganun yung babae,
Sabi ko, obviously hindi ako.
sabi ko, me, not him, because he doesn't have hair. And my hairstylist was Vanessa. She's very nice and accommodating. Sabi ko sa kanya, funny yan, I'm from Adelaide. So, kailangan mo mag-move sa Adelaide para gupitan ako. Or else I have to fly in pa sa Sydney para lang magpagupit. Anyway, hindi pa kami nag-lunch. And mag-early dinner din kami kasi nga birthday ko. So, for now, magla-light lunch lang kami dito sa Momoto.
Push you away. Got me in the sun with the rain. When you say, I love it, baby. Yes, they said I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, said I love it, love it, love it.
Hindi ako masyadong makain ng madami. Stop.
Ito gusto ko to pang washing.
Okay. Second, salmon roll.
Mahulog ah.
Hindi. Ano yung nasa ibabaw? So yeah, parang teriyaki chicken. So this is my salmon.
Ako, kumuha muna ako ng tamago pang unang ano.
Third one. I don't know what this is, but I think this is chicken teriyaki based sa sauce. Wait lang. Ano siya, may abo sa loob.
Feeling ko teriyaki to. Sarap.
Pero ako. Katatlo lang ako.
Lalo may color, may...
Katumbas na presyo yung
Oh, yung
color
color.
ng plate. Ito yung katumbas niya.
Ayun, yun na lang.
Yan. Alam niyo, every time nandito ako sa Sydney, hindi pwedeng hindi ako papasok dito sa W Cosmetics. Ewan ko ba? Hindi ko naman sinabing bibili ako, pero kailangan natin mag-check, diba? Skincare, makeup. Actually, sa makeup, wala na ako masyadong tinitignan kasi hindi na ako halos nagme-makeup. Puro blush on lip tint lang ako. Sa skincare ako madalas tumambay. Kasi skincare pa rin yung addiction ko right now. Ganun talaga pag tumatanda na. Shot siya. Perfect.
Check.
Kakatapos lang ng lunch. So, syempre, naghanap kami ng coffee. Wala akong matinong coffee kahapon sa race. Nakisip lang ako ng coffee sa kanya kasi sobrang aga. So, ngayon ko pa lang ito na-enjoy. Okay naman. Galing lang kami sa, galing ako sa W Cosmetics. Nag-check lang. Katabi nun, ito, coffee shop. Parang bago lang siya eh. So, ito nandito. Yun pala nagkakape na. Let's go! Team PG! May bago tayong recruit.
Sabi nga ni mama mo, yung lakas kumain ng mga yun. Siguro nanonood ng vlogs nga.
Punta kami sa Tina! Tina!
Papunta kami sa Mumu.
We're on our way to
So far, yun yung recommended na
restaurant.
ni ChatGPT.
Si ChatGPT
So,
na yung pinag-decide namin.
so, tignan natin kung masarap.
Our simple...
It's our birthday dinner nitong asawa ko na maganda, na bagong gupit. So,
Sana masarap.
sana masarap.
Yun naman yung style na gusto na, ay yung mga cuisine na gusto natin, Asian fusion.
Oh,
So,
Asian.
Asian fusion siya. So, papakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung mga orderin namin na hopefully okay naman. We'll keep you guys updated. We're almost there.
Someone wearing
Ano ba yun? Kaya kayo nag-black.
Taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own it. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it. You give me a
Okay, we're all here. Vlog natin kumakapay ka.
Hello to the vlog!
That's what you hear every day.
Kasama. Ay, may sili, diba? Sabi ko nga lang.
You can be
Oo, nakaniyan.
I got everything here to offer. Everybody's a beginner. I don't wanna talk yet, but let's try. Don't worry about me 'cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can take you mine. Can't get you out of my sight. Take me to paradise. My name your favorite light. Calling me on the flame. Don't matter how to try. Don't let me be
Sunod na
your
grilled
guide.
chicken.
If you do the right,
Tapos parang meron siyang kutsara sa gilid. Dalawa na. Thank you! Tapos sila lang umiinom. Tubig lang pala.
So, make chicken spaghetti.
They have halo-halo here. Pero iba yung ingredients. Shake your booty, shake your booty, eh eh. Shake your booty, shake your birthday to you. Kumakanta pa ako.
Happy birthday to you!
Kumakaya.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
5-0!
7. Cheeky, cheeky. Thank you.
Okay, that's nice. This is ubi cake.
Hindi yan ube.
Yeah, this is ubi
That's
cake.
ube?
I ordered that.
Talaga, that's ube?
Yeah, that's ubi cake. Ubi cheesecake.
Oh!
Woo! Yay!
Nakita niyo na ba si Michael Jackson? Nakita niyo na ba si Michael Jackson? Ito si Michael Jackson. Ito si Michael Jackson. Ha? Sumayaw.
We could be going out every night under the lights and trying out brand new drinks with brand new faces. But I'm tired of staying up late. I can never state the beauty of settling down with the one you love. Sometimes all I wanna do is be at home next to you. What do you say if we stay? We could be doing nothing.
Mas
We
wala
could just
tayo.
sit here in the silence, saying nothing. You could just hold my hand, cause I've never been more comfortable than in your arms, vulnerable or nothing. We could just sit here